What's up guys, it is a computer compiler here, and this is an amazing $2,000 gaming PC build for June of 2016. With this build, you'll be able to play pretty much any game on max settings. It is a great PC for the money, and although most PC builds don't include the operating system, this one does. The CPU in this build is the Intel Core i7-6700K. It is clocked at 4.0 GHz with a turbo boost up to 4.2 GHz, and has a great overclock potential. It has 4 cores. Paired with the GPU in this build, the CPU will do a great job with anything you need your computer to do, whether it's gaming, editing, or graphic design. This is an outstanding CPU for the cost, coming in at just $315. The CPU cooler in this build is the NZXT Kraken X61. I chose this because although it doesn't get as much attention as it used to, it is still worthy. It has a CFM of 106.1 and a radiator size of 280mm. Coming in at just $115, this is a great CPU cooler for the money. The motherboard in this build is the Asus Maximus 8 Hero. It is an ATX motherboard, has the LGA 1151 socket, and the Z170 chipset. It supports up to 64 GB of RAM and is a great motherboard. It costs only $200. For the RAM in this build, we will be using 16 GB of the Corsair Vengeance LPX series. This is great RAM because it has a speed of 2400 MHz and is DDR4. It is very similar to the G-Skill RAM, but I chose it because it was $10 cheaper. The SSD in this build is the Samsung 850 EVO. This is an amazing SSD manufactured by an amazing company. It has a capacity of 250 GB and comes in at just $85. The hard drive in this build is the Seagate Barracuda. It has a capacity of 2 TB, allowing you to store all your games and other media files that you have, and still have plenty of room to spare. It has a speed of 7200 RPM and costs $62. For the GPU in this build, we will be using 2 MSI GeForce GTX 1070 Founder Edition video cards. They are clocked at 1.51 GHz and have 8 GB of RAM. They cost $450 each. For the case in this build, we will be using the NZXT Phantom 530 white version. It is a full tower case, has 6 3.5-inch bays, and 3 5.25-inch bays. It is a great case and looks cool. It costs $114. The power supply in this build is the EVGA Supernova 750 watt power supply. This is plenty of power for the components of this build, and allows room to add additional parts or upgrade in the future. It costs $100. The operating system in this build is Windows 10 Home. It is the 64-bit version. It costs $85. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.